looking at the police station here. Just as I was switching on here, there was not a masonry falling down. You can tell they're getting right on with that there, that top section now. Right here on Gold Road here. The other side of the road, the police station on Gold Road. There was a news item last night on local news saying that there were people who wanted this to be kept. Good example of 1970s architecture. It's quite rare in the country. They compared it with 3 other buildings. Councillor Biscoe standing up against the demolition. But it's going anyway. Replaced an earlier police station in the front here. Right alongside these houses here, in more similar architecture, just there in front of the existing building. This was built in 1974. Very misty again today. You can see for the first time sides there, all the windows out. Very busy thoroughfare here. Gets more and more busier, but it's half-term week. Right near the Trafalgar roundabout here. Keep seeing a lot of minis about. More like a luxury small car. Right. Not bad for a poor area like this. There we are. I can see all coming down there. You've been scooped by the lorries here, so I will do a bit more across the road there. See more. Nice Jaguar there. Jaguar XF Tourer there. See the Francis Clark building there.